just want to get this $400 and I'm good. $400 a day for me. I'm happy. I'm about to take this next payout though, and I'm about to literally, cause I honestly the few like what 3 or 4 payouts I've gotten, I haven't invested literally that much back into these accounts. I'm about to like take this next payout and really invest in accounts. I'm gonna try to max all these accounts out. Yo, which you have Lucid too, right?
Not anymore after yesterday.
Which one did you pick? The Flex?
Yeah, I had the Lucid Flex.
Yeah, that's the one I got.
We inverse is for 45. I don't know. See what the market gives me.
Is it the same one? The market is open.
Alrighty, let's get this thing going.
We're in a 1 hour right now. Bearish.
Are you guys looking at NAS or gold?
Yeah, I'm looking at NAS. I'm not trading gold with one contract, bro.
Yeah. Oh my god, this fucking retarded. I don't know what I'm gonna trade yet, but I just need my 400 and I'm out of here.
Yo, what's good, Cash? What's up with you, bro? All right, you're inversing that 1 hour on NQ, kinda.
Yeah, looking at
Said
it.
I would like to see an inverse and then goddamn. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even want to see an inverse. I would love it to not inverse and then give me a little, create a displacement down, a little 5-minute retest, break the structure, bang, like. But it's looking like it wants to inverse.
We are in a 4-hour bullish right now still, so
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, we're in 1 hour bullish. We're in everything bullish. But as of right now, the 1 hour.
I'm just looking at the 1 hour mainly.
Yeah.
No, but if it does respect and all those, there's like,
It
what
just
is that?
came
2
up.
5 minutes?
Tap
Two
that
5
5
minute.
minute.
If it were to respect that 1 hour and then inverse that 5 minute EOS.
Have you been punched in your motherfucking face? Are you having We don't have any daily wick on NQ. Bottom wick. Looks like a big rejection on gold and NQ. I don't know. NQ not as much, but starting to. Gold looks like rejection though. Gold, you still don't have that daily wick as well. NQ, this is identical to what fucked me yesterday. This is the identical setup to where it all started and went downhill yesterday.
Is it?
It is.
We're just coming up to a 5 minute.
I took longs off of 1 minute FEG retest, break of structure. That's what I took longs off of originally. And then I ended up getting fucked because everything started dumping like a little bit later.
Did it tap that 5-minute bearish? No, it didn't.
It did on TradingView, if I'm not
Not
wrong.
for me. Nah, it missed it a little bit for me.
Oh yeah, it did miss it. Or wait, no, I tapped it.
What are you
You
looking
gotta
at?
zoom
Micro,
in,
mini, NASDAQ?
zoom in on It's like it perfectly tapped it. That's what it did.
I don't know,
You
bro.
just
Not
have
for
to
me.
zoom in. It did.
Yeah.
It just doesn't look like it. I promise you. Screen share.
I'm lining it up.
Look, no, yeah, you're not zoomed in right. Go to the right. Drag it up. Yeah, drag it up more. And then zoom in. All right, yeah, on your shit, it doesn't look like it tapped it. Looks like it's far. Wait, what are you on? Oh, you're on MNQ. That's why. Cause go to NQ1. No, NQ1. Type in NQ. NQ1. Go to futures. Right there, yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is the one I should look at.
Yeah.
Damn, the charts are like damn near identical, but not.
Yeah, it's
That's
just that's the
crazy
same
thing.
way. That's the same thing with Forex,
Gold.
gold, and yeah, futures.
Now we do tap that, tapping that 5-minute, and we're respecting the 1 hour still. Get a nice little inversion of a 5-minute. I'll actually come for shorts.
Nah, but on Top Step, it's showing that it didn't tap it either. But Top Step is also incorrect. Like, I don't. The only charts you should go off of is the actual contract, which is like, yeah. You said what, Chris? What'd you say, Chris? Oh.
Bro, last night, dude.
Gold just retested. What happened?
I was going crazy on back testing, bro. I was just using straight 5-minute fair value gaps and then like inversions of like 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And then BOS is just green 10 trades in a row.
Literally. It's beautiful.
I'm just gonna wait for a 5-minute. I don't know. Yesterday I should have waited for that 1 5-minute.
Yeah, me too. That when I watched it back, bro, I'm already knowing.
Come up to the 5-minute, bro, and that was the first time I actually predicted something, bro. It actually felt godly. Now I understand. I remember used to be like, you feel like a fucking robot when you keep calling it.
Yeah.
That shit feels good, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, nah, definitely.
That was God top entry, bro. That was $1,000 day.
It's all good.
You learning.
On to the next, brother.
No, I liked your video, bro. That shit was fire.
For sure. Shit helped me like understand it better. Like it just helps me go more in depth.
Like, you're not just showing only your wins.
Yeah, for sure.
Also, it's just good to look back on. Like, damn, I was fucking retarded. Why did I do that?
Yeah. One minute order block NQ. I did see that. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I definitely saw that though.
Are you still on my screen share?
Uh, I mean I am, but I'm not looking. Why?
Is this the order block?
Yeah.
Yeah. We tap this? Oh, we haven't tapped this 1 minute bearish right here. We got 3 5 minutes stacked on top of each other.
On what? Oh, on NQ. You're talking about bullish.
Yeah. Like if we respect the 1 hour and start inversing them Johns, I think I don't know, bro.
I mean, yeah, we're respecting the 1 hour right now. I would like to see some bearish displacement. 5 minute. This 5 minute gets inversed. That would be nice.
And displacement. I mean, it perfectly tapped this bearish one that I fucking couldn't see originally.
Yeah, I'm already knowing.
In some.
Came up, it tapped that 1 minute order block perfectly and then ejected off of it. There's just hella low volume right now though.
Tapping the 5 minute.
Silver broke out to the upside. Gold may follow. But it just, silver really just swept that New York high. Little SMT. Little SMT ski. Silver's trying to go for that other New York high. What are the chances you just short here? Top tick.
talking about Nas name or
Yeah, NQ.
Nas? Think so?
No, I'm just saying, what if I'm not?
Nah, I just want to hit these. I need confirmations, bro. That's what I was doing when I was back testing, bro, and that shit just kept working, bro.
I'm already knowing. Just inverse that 1 minute.
That old ass, that 1 minute bearish to the left.
Oh, I didn't even see that we came down, tapped that 5 minute, and now we're getting a break of structure. I did not see that. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of crazy. Wow. Low key could have been an entry. Still, it still possibly is. It's just iffy. It's gonna be a more scuffed entry. But damn, I did not see that. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is probably gonna fly. Shit is going to fly. If you respect this 1 minute, I may take a contract. I do think NQ is going to pump. I think I already took it. I think that was your... I mean, I see that was your 5 minute retest, and now you're getting your break of structure. This is my setup indeed, so we'll let it play out. All right. We can really target all of these highs.
My God. That was the entry, bro. I didn't see the 5 minutes after you did that. It like barely taps it, bro. I think that's why.
Nah, yeah. On Top Step, it doesn't look like it tapped it. That's the thing. All right, I just got another contract in. I need my stop a little stretched down. That would be my max risk.
How many are you in?
13. Full TP can really be this high. Wait, what high is that? That's really... Our New York high is all the way at that AM high, which is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's a stretch. We'll just target these highs for now. want to get in 2 more, but I want to be in 15. That's like my max. I like my risk right now. I'm risking 300. I'm just not gonna touch the trade anymore. I'm gonna just let it play out. Okay, gold is pumping. Excuse me.
Damn, bro. I wish I seen the 5 minute.
Oh, good, brother. There will be another entry.
Nah, it's gonna come. It's making another 5 minute right now.
Is 25.4 a crazy TP? I mean, like we can easily stretch. That was that full TP that I was saying. That would be full TP. But I mean, I would just trail heavy, right? Or like make sure you take partials all the way up, and then just let your runner run type shit. NQ gets a chopping quick. I'm seeing it pump. You didn't even get a 5-minute retest. We got a 3-minute retest. That was it. Gotta get your 630 condo. Yeah, we're gonna go a little lower, I think, off of that. Where's my stop? 25269.
Waiting for this 5-minute retest.
Did it just open a 5-minute or what?
Yeah, bullish. If it taps, I'm gonna just enter.
Probably get a 15-minute open up in a second. It tapped it.
I'm in. Five contracts. Oh my god.
Might add some more. It comes lower.
Yeah, we could definitely get all these highs.
Bim, 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 bim,
Let's
bim,
target
bim.
this one. Might enter some more. This isn't a bad trade idea.
Order filled.
Mhm.
Oh shit.
I gotta take a shit.
I took a shit right before market opened.
Lucky ass nigga.
Got all that shit out.
I knew
Your
I should have
shit
entered
out.
like 2 more, bro, when it kept coming.
Still can, bro. You're just sitting in the range right now.
I'm right at my entry, so fuck it. Add 2 more. Wait. Yeah. And 2 more.
Excuse me. I want to see this 15-minute open up right now. It's about to open up in literally 15 seconds.
I want to make sure my stop is like under the 15-minute. Yeah, it is.
All right, there's your candle. If you come down, I'll add one more. All right, you came down, you tapped it.
Order filled.
Shit, so bad right now. And there's some more. Nah, this is fine.
Make it stopped. Down and test this. I'm gonna trail stop. I mean, I don't like. I think we just are testing this 5 minute. I'm gonna be so honest with you. We're retesting the 5 minute, but if I get stopped, I get stopped, bro. I'm just gonna take it.
Are you a profit?
What you mean? I'm nigga, I'm in drawdown. My entry's like right here.
I thought you ran way before me.
I was, but it didn't go that high, bro. I need to see us inverse these 1 minutes. Like I like that we're coming back up, but we need to solidify it. I'm still like not even. I'm still 100 down 100 here, down 80. You can be something. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I'm going to get stopped. I think we go lower before we go higher. It's just at least based off of what it looks like. It's really zooming out. Like yes, we kind of broke this uptrend, but I think we could want to retrace lower. Oh shit! I think we could want to retrace lower. We're about to open a 30-minute in 25 minutes, right? Could want to tap that. 1 hour could get opened. I don't know. Look how that 15-minute closed. 15-minute close, iffy. Not saying it's still not longs, but I don't know. I think we can easily retrace down to my entry and then continue higher. I'm not my fault. Down to my stop. But let me just let the trade rock out, man. Only time will tell, right? Only time will tell. Telling me I'm gonna try to add another contract here, but that adds $8. Makes my entry a lot better. $5. Oh my god. And I get stopped by the tick. I swear to God. Don't do it. I'm gonna wait for this 30 minutes to open. 20 minutes. I want to see this 5-minute get inverted. Of course, my stop gets to the tick. To the ticky. I want to take another entry so bad, I'm not gonna lie. But I also want to be patient. You got to do something. You got to understand all of my things. If we get a 15 version, that would be crazy.
Cold as shit in my room, bro.
I'm removing stop and putting TP at 25, 400. I'm 100 drawdown from liquidation. Whoa, that's crazy. I mean, fuck it, bro. Do what you gotta do, twin. I want to take another entry here. I'm gonna be so honest with you.
This is what I should have waited for. This 5-minute retest again. I'm a dickhead.
I mean, you don't know that it's gonna retest again. Like,
yeah, I know. That's why I didn't.
all right.
Original entry is the first retest.
I'm in one contract, risking $14. Stop at the low. I just want to see. This looks like an easy retrace point. Here, we made equal lows with all these. The point is to get in more contracts though, and assuming become lower. That's like my assumption. About to get this 7 p.m. candle. That's really what I want to see. 7 p.m. candle. I'm lucky with you on targeting 25 400 full TP. That would be some shit though. How many ticks is that? Is that 1,000 ticks? I think it is. That's over 1,000 ticks. If it goes lower, could look for a new entry in that 5 minute fair value gap. That's what I'm doing. That's why I have these entries right here, because I'm assuming it's gonna go down to that 5 minute, like deeper into it. So I'm trying to get more contracts in there, and that's why I'm only risking fucking 43, because I'm trying to give myself a lot of room, because I'm assuming it wants to come down to this 5 minute. But if it inverses it, then I would assume we want shorts. But until it does that, I think that we're good for longs. Yeah. I'm about to get stopped, and if it goes into that FEG, I'm gonna enter back long for sure. That's basically what I did. I knew I was gonna get stopped, like, but I don't think that's an invalidation of my trade idea. So I'm not gonna just say fuck my trade and not take it. If I get stopped again, I get stopped again. I think we'll have to call it there, but for now, I think we still good. We still good. But I need to get more contracts in, because if this thing starts ripping and I don't have more contracts in, I don't want to start panic buying and fucking adding more when I shouldn't be. But I don't want to risk too much as well. So I just want us to come lower. That's what I want us to do. Come lower before we go higher. That's what I would love to see. Volume is so slow right now. It's just slow as fuck, slow as fuck. I put 3 contracts at 25263 for sure. Did you you got in with micros or minis? Micro for sure. This is what I don't want to start happening. I'm gonna go in 2 more. We're in 3, risking 140. 3 is still so ass. Like, unless we were to really get that full TP, but that's such a stretch, bro. That's like
What's your full TP at?
25 400.
Yeah, that's a stretch.
No, that's a stretch of doom. Like,
That's like a
realistically,
runner though. Leave a
no,
runner.
it is
You
it
get-
is leave a runner type shit, but I'm not really into leaving runners right now. I just want to secure my day, bro, and be done.
I know. I got my fucking full TP at 25.
If I can get in more contracts, my full TP,
323.
that's where my full TP will be, if I can get in more contracts. I just don't want to FOMO and like
Yeah,
we
I know
start
exactly
going
what you
lower
mean.
from
I'm
here.
in 7, bro. I'm good, bro. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm risking
I'm
349
only in
to
3.
make 600. It's not. It's all right. Risk to reward, bro.
It happens all the time. You know my head ain't up. My phone ain't on.
Volume is ass though right now.
Oh, it's super ass.
These
Super
Chinese fuckers
duper.
win, bro.
They're in love with gold, bro.
They are in love with gold. Dirty fucking little chinks.
I want to add one more. I mean, I need to add 3 more. That's what I need to do. If I do that, though, I'm going to have to move my stop up a decent amount. Which...
Excuse
Hey, excuse me. I'm going to die if it runs right now. It was literally a tick away from stopping me. Bro, that's crazy. I got stopped out by a tick, and then it started going higher for a little bit, but then it came back a little lower under my stop and then continue higher. I knew I should have had my stop. That's where my original stop was. That's crazy. Was was under these lows right here, and I moved it up a little bit, and that shit got me fucked. That shit's so crazy. That's so crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Can we get our Drake candle straight to the fucking high?
Oh. I want to get in more, but I feel like it can come lower. And if it does, like, I want to be able to get in more there. Let me stop bitching, though, bro. Like, whatever happens, happens, bro. I need to accept the risk and stop being a bitch. Stop being a bitch. Sometimes you just got to do it. Sometimes you got to risk it for the fucking biscuit. I need 2 more in. 2 more and I feel okay. But I still would want more in. Alright, I added 2 more. We're going to do that. Move stop up a little bit. Because if this runs and I'm not sizing correctly, then I'll really be upset. So full TP would still only get us a winning day and out of our loss. But that's holding all contracts, not clipping a dime. So that's like, it's iffy, bro. That's so iffy. You still need more. Respectfully. I feel like we can move up to this low. All right, we're risking 132. We can probably get in 3 more. All right, risking 223 now. To make 700, I can deal with that. That's dealable type. Oh my god, my shit looks cooked for today.
Better look at gold because this fucking volume is just turning me off.
Gold's getting a 5-minute retest right now. Before it possibly rips higher.
It is.
Can you really only take 1 on gold? Try it, bro. You're on a practice account. Or you can go in with more because fucking you have a
Hey, no, I'm on a
150k.
eval, bro.
Oh, you're on eval? Okay.
Yeah.
This is what I was scared of happening. This is why I said I should have had my fucking stop bigger. And I should have waited to add more because I knew that this could happen. And I wasn't patient. I'll do limit by 3 there.
Yeah, with this volume, bro, we might be here till fucking 12 a.m.
Nah, we won't. We'll be 7 is coming up in a second. So that will give us some motion. That's either gonna stop people out or hit some take profits.
I got mine. I have mine stretched like under this 15-minute.
Oh my god. We're gonna have
It's been
30
awesome.
30-minute opening up. I don't like this. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, but I can't, like, it's so hard for me to go back on my trade idea. But like, we have 30-minute opening up in 9 minutes. We can easily get a 30-minute retest before we go higher.
I really wish I could go shit right now.
Yeah. I think I might cut my loss short and re-enter, bro. One last time. I think that's like my only option. But I just don't want to. If it starts ripping, bro, I'll be upset. Sometimes I gotta walk away from my PC and let this shit run, or I'm gonna keep clicking shit. I'm already knowing, bro. I'm already knowing. I'm so iffy right now because of this 30-minute. Like, I probably should have waited, bro, until the 30-minute opened. Because if we come down and tap that 30-minute, bro, and then continue higher, bro, oh my god, I'll be so pissed. I'll be so pissed. I would be furious. I'm not gonna lie to you. Chances of that happening probably pretty high because we don't have a fucking bottom wick on our daily candle either, which I'm not paying attention to. Like, I mean, I'm paying attention to it, but uh, I'm just thinking about it a little less. Say that. So I can't even sell one there. My shit is so ass.
Get that shit together.
Gold's getting your 5-minute retest. I'm tempted to take a trade on gold. I'm gonna be so honest with you. Might double trade here. Take longs on gold.
Yeah, you got the BOS too.
Or if you get it, you could get it. Wait for it though. Wait till you start showing signs of it. You just got a little order block on gold.
The time frame, 1 minute.
I'm not looking at it anymore. 2-minute, 3-minute. You inverse that 2-minute, could get long stuff. Fucking shit, bro. They just keep frying me. The market keeps frying me, don't they? They're catching me at these fucking FOMO points. I'm getting in and I'm getting shit on. But they're not even FOMO points. Like, bro, this is my setup. I guess it's just it's NQ. I don't trade NQ at this time. I guess that's what it could be. Bet you if I traded gold, I'd be out. But it's okay. Volume is so slow, bro. Only reason I can't close this position because if I was not to get stopped and I closed it early, I would be so mad. But It looks like we were gonna get stopped regardless. About to get our seven o'clock candle, 4 minutes. I really think that 7 p.m. wants to come retest 30 minute, which is exactly where my stop is. I might move it down a little bit, honestly, and just say fuck it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I know this is a very bad habit that I need to fix, moving my stop, but like, bro, I really feel like this, like, and I can't go off of feels. I'm saying words that I shouldn't be saying right now, which I know is bad, but I just, I don't know. I know that I need to give myself more room, and I limited myself at doing that by adding more contracts too early instead of waiting for it to come down and let me add more contracts. It's going drop. I hope it does, bro. I hope it does. Like, I should have really been adding more at the bottom right there. Or who knows if that's the bottom, but I should have been adding more down there. I need to. If it comes lower than that, I probably should add 3 more. If it comes down there. All right. I really want to see the 7 p.m. candle though. This is gonna tell me everything. Here we either get stopped, get blessed. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum. 7 p.m. Uno momento. Let's do 300 max. We'll be at 660. Yeah, bro. I think I'm gonna retire from trading NQ after this. I see this 2 minute get inversed on gold. If it gets inversed, I'm taking longs on gold. I don't care. Seven p.m. candle. 20 seconds.
Full TV slam.
10 seconds, brother. Ah, it's not looking good.
2, 1, bang. All right, I think 30-minute retest incoming. That could be guaranteed. That may be promised to us 3,000 years ago, or
It was.
or We blast. I don't like how we went up immediately though. NQ just left the chop, bro. Fucking sucks. Nah, especially at this time though. Like I never trade NQ at this time. If I were to trade NQ, it would be during NY, but I just been trading New York because they limited the contracts on gold, bro. So it's like it's hard to trade gold, and that's what I'm used to trading at this time. Let's see, does 2 minute get inversed on gold? I think I'm gonna take longs on gold, bro.
With one contract, right?
I guess. Yeah, one contract. Wow. Interesting,
That's
gold.
so gay, bro.
I'm waiting for the entry though on gold because now we're kind of dumping, which I'm feeling iffy about. But that low key could be God entry if we were to go long. Is it just me or has NQ price action just has been stupid the past week or so? I think during New York it's been really good. That's what I've been hearing. But Asia, nah, that shit has not been too well, my brother. Bro, you're telling me I can only go in with one contract on gold? That's insane. Oh wait, max margin violation. I can't even go in on gold. What? I can't even go in with one on gold. It's all good. I'll add more NQ.
Yeah, I think with gold, if your account is on above like a $1,500 buffer, you can't never trade.
Yeah, my buffer is hella low right now, so wow, so I wouldn't have been able to trade gold anyways if I wanted to. All right, this looks like our possible real break on NQ that we may get here.
Or would come everywhere.
NQ just can't break this, huh? Can't break the range. It's just struggling. I still think it could tap that 30 minute, which is very close to my stop. Volatility. Wait, Top Step has limited gold recently due to liquidity. Volatility, I mean. Yeah, bro. That shit is crazy. Wait, that's crazy. I guess the Express account only lets you do one because I can do two on the funded. Wait, you can do two on a 50K funded type shit? Like eval? That's what you mean. Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. So you can do two. Yeah, my buffer is just hella small right now because I got fucked yesterday. But it's all good because we still good. Which is still ask makes scalping hard for real? Yeah, no, it does, bro. I used to be in and out of trades on gold, bro, every day. And now I'm just cooked on NQ. Like sitting in
I had to
trades
try
forever.
NQ New York, bro. I don't know.
Nah, yeah, I'm gonna start trading New York for sure. I think if I get stopped here, my next resort is just wait till New York. But I think we have some news tomorrow morning, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we have NFP. NFP. Wednesday fun day. Yeah, type shit. Type shit, man. This shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is crazy. Shit got my stomach twisting and turning, earning and yearning. This is just, yeah, bro. Like, I want to go sleep. No bullshit. I want to go lay in my bed, come back, every TP slammed. I wish I had the balls to just full port right now. I said I wish I had the balls to. Nah, yeah. Nah, I think we're gonna get a break on NQ in a second, bro. That's all I can do is hope. Hope that we're gonna get a break. But nah, APM's coming. You know what that means, bro. That's real market open. That's when the real move begins. Oh, baby. I want to be able to trail my stop here. If I can get in profit a little bit more, we can get up to these highs right here. I'll trail stop there. But I need to see that happen first. 30-minute just didn't get tapped, but it's looking like we just want to fly off of it. It doesn't seem like we want to tap it.
You won't.
Sometimes I get tempted to get another FXA and do the dumb shit I don't have the balls for in my main. Nah, Zachary, no bullshit. Bro, I've taken 5 payouts on this excess pay I have right now. So it's like close. I mean, I don't think it's gonna get moved to a live, but obviously I don't want it to get moved to a live. But that's the one I'm gonna just throw on, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was planning on full porting CPI on Friday. If I have a big enough drawdown to be able to do it. But I'm trying to full port long CPI Friday. But I need to have like a 2K buffer at least. Right now it's at like 1K, I think. That's really what I was like. I want a full port right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna just chill. We gonna chill.
You get a breakout, bro. I'm gonna add a bunch of contracts. Like it.
On what, Naz?
Order filled.
Yeah. Oh shit, I did it.
It's not a bad idea.
I added 3 more.
It's not a bad idea, Chris. I'm full ported.
That nigga said I'm full ported.
I'm trolling. I'm trolling. Bad trading. Bad trading.
Port
I'm
too
about to move
short.
my stop though to these lows.
Port too short.
Or too short.
If you know, you know. Port too short.
I understand it now. Should I move my stop up 170 to make 600?
Let me get it.
If it breaks, I'm gonna add more contracts. I'm 10 micros deep right now for sure. I'm 15 micros deep. This is my max I think I'm gonna be in though for me.
Yeah, if it breaks that high, I'm not gonna lie.
Risking
Add
300.
three. Add 3 more.
Brother, I'm in.
If we can get
30? Your dick is big, Chris, huh? Has to be.
I'm about to get fucked. Okay.
Now you're not about to get fucked. You're about to
It's
get
either about to be
blessed.
glorious or you're about to just get fucking raped from the back multiple times.
Nah, I'm about to get blessed.
Just give me the fucking Jesus candle, dude.
Oh, we want that Drake candle. We're stuck in this range, bro, and it's just pissing me off really bad.
Not yet. I just want to break this high, bro. If we can break that high, that would be so
Yeah.
beautiful.
I would love for that to happen. You know, honestly, I just would like for anything to happen at this point because I've been in this trade for
A very long time. Very long time.
literally, bro. I was trying to be in and out, slow strokes.
A very long time.
Will you
Aye,
respect
aye,
this
aye.
1 minute. Respect this 1 minute.
I don't even
Respect
like.
this
I don't know. NQ is weird. It respects it, but it doesn't matter. It's just gonna chop. Like you just
Yeah,
need
that's
bursts.
respected.
Those bursts of fucking movements.
I'm about to start hitting up all my Asian folks and telling them to spam by.
Nah, APM is gonna be your real move.
Yeah, I mean that's in fucking how many minutes?
40,
8.
50, whatever. 48.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Might move my first TP down to here.
We didn't come all this way, gold, did we? Or whatever. NQ. One time we came all this way just to do a
Just to
nigga,
edge me.
just to do a nigga dirty. Just to do a nigga dirty.
This is the worst kind of shit to trade, bro.
I mean, yeah. Now we know, like, NQ. It's like it has its days where it's consistent sometimes, but most of the time it's just chopping like this.
I want to try AM New York.
Nah, yeah, New York is crazy. You just have to be careful. It's hella volatile. But whatever happens with this trade, I'm gonna goddamn trade NY. Now I'm gonna give you roll, Zachary.
Damn, bro. I'm about to go smoke a cigarette after that shit.
You got stopped? How much are you down?
I'm down 400 on my funded. I kind of just want to be done trading.
I don't blame you.
I just need fucking literally 400 to get a payout, and I lost 400, so I want to keep pushing, but
Did we get an SMT? Let's see. Oh, we did. Damn.
What was that?
ES swept the high, but Nasdaq didn't, which is not good for NQ. Like if it fails to break this high, bro, that's bad. I ain't gonna lie.
gold looks like it wants to fucking just dump.
Oh my God, yeah, it does. Damn.
Damn, it definitely does. I just looking at it now.
Do I just get out?
Maybe.
Order filled.
All right, I got out. I'm not dealing with it, bro. I refuse.
Nah, bro. NQ and fucking agent sessions. Just make it where you. I see. I was thinking if I went back, like, started doing Top Step, I would just use Top Step for NQ in the morning. You can still use your other accounts for gold. Just don't copy trade. Your Top Step account. You can trade like your Tradeifys and your Lucids and all that shit on agent sessions, and then save your Top Step for in the morning.
Bro, if NQ plays it out, I'm gonna be so upset.
I'm leaving my shit in. I just moved my stop up though.
I set my TP to break even and it just took me out and drawdown. What the fuck? That's crazy. You just got hold. You actually just got hold. All right, we're in this 1 minute bearish. We're respecting it on NQ. Like I said, that SMT is really what scared me. I'm not gonna lie.
I need to learn what that is. I don't know what that is. Mino Black. Isn't bad wrist.
Look, I'll show you right now.
Alright, share screen. I mean, I honestly could have took a shit 30 minutes ago.
You see my screen?
Nothing has happened. Yeah, I did. Wait, let me join it. Alright, yep.
All right. Goddamn. So, yes, right? You see this high right here?
Yeah.
So ES broke this high, right? On here. You go to NQ. You see that's the same high. It did not break it on NQ.
Okay.
So that creates SMT pretty much. You have that, boom, and then you come here and you have the opposite type shit. Boom.
So it goes up.
Yeah.
It goes down.
And that's your fucking SMT pretty much.
That
Indicating
indicators for shorts.
yeah, it pretty much means that like NQ wasn't strong enough to take the draw on liquidity, and yeah, but ES was, and so that fucking like, if it continues to fail to take that high, like that's a bad sign for longs. I'm not gonna lie.
Let me move my stop up higher. Could get out.
Gold is fucking acting insane right now.
What the fuck? I'm gonna wait 8 p.m., bro. We'll get a cleaner move around 8 p.m. I still think gold is longs, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like off of that, look how you on gold right now. You came down to that 5 minute and perfectly tested it.
Look at the 30 minute. Look at the 30 minute, bro. Rejected, full fill, rejected.
Oh yeah, perfectly.
Yeah, that looks like longs to me.
We're dumping, bro.
On NQ?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I assumed.
Stopped.
If we break this high, I'm gonna
Move it down a little.
Look, you can see it even better on the 30 minute. Look, you see my screen share?
Hold on, let me come back to it. Yeah.
Look, this is ES, right? See this? How it's like that? Go to NQ. It's the opposite. So like, anytime you see that, bro, even opposite on the low. If NQ, boom, say NQ took this low right here, right? It swept it, and then you go to ES, and this didn't, yeah, then that's a sign for longs type shit. But that happens so much in the morning, like New York. I'm not gonna lie, you gotta learn about SMTs if you're gonna trade New York. Excuse me. I'm long real quick on gold since it bounced off the 5 minute trend line again. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I don't blame you. That's not it's not a bad long, I wouldn't say, on gold, especially with that tap, that perfect tap. Oh my god. But NQ where I saw that SMT, I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad I saw that SMT before I continued to hold that trade. Because if I held that and got stopped, bro, I would have been very upset. I feel a lot better that I avoided that. Even though I still lost like 100, that's fine. Silver, you got this bearish 5 minute. If you in versus 5 minute on silver, then you probably go higher on gold.
Probably gonna get stopped here.
If NQ can come down and tap this 30 minute, I would like longs out of there. Like that would be nice. And you're about to have a 5 minute bearish created. So boom, if you get a 30 minute tap and then you get a 5 minute inversion, I think it's longs.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped. I can move it. Take it. Like, just disting the shit out the low though.
Ay, ay, ay. Let's see. I bet you Top Step sent me my money though. They did. They did.
Order filled.
I should go. I can go. Ooh. Never mind. I'm not even gonna say that.
172.
With cars. With cars.
I might wait, bro.
Brum,
Have to
brum,
be done
brum.
today off that. It's tapping that 30 minute. It's tapping that
brum.
30 minute.
How's trading going for you? It's good, bro. It's good, Pigeon. How you doing, bro? But it's been good. Yesterday and today, it's been a little rough. You know, we have had some losing days the last 2 days. I mean, today is still not over. It's really just getting started. But fucking, so far we're like 16K in payouts on the year. So, you know what I'm saying? It's been smooth, bro.
We never broke that 1 hour.
See you doing meme coins a while back. Did you quit? I still fuck with meme coins here and there. Like it just depends. Not anywhere near as much as I used to. Like I used to fuck with them a lot more, but I definitely I just been trading futures. That's all I've been trading. But I don't know. When I want to like gamble and I'm in a gamble mood type shit, I'll fuck with some meme coins. It's like it's not that meme coins is like just gambling, but it's like it is more gambling than this shit type shit. So it's like it's I don't know. It's fun. I enjoy trading meme coins. That shit is fun. I still trade crypto. I just haven't broken out at all. Shit's been hell. Yeah, bro. I'm already knowing. That's
Fake out?
crypto is fucking. It's hard, bro. Shit is risky. Did it tap the 30 minute?
Yes,
Yeah, it
bro.
did. Wow. Look at that. Wow. What did I say? What did I say?
I have to enter longs.
I may enter longs.
In versus woman, I'm doing it.
Like that was your tap. I just don't like the range that we're sitting in. But nah,
True.
yeah, Pidgeon, fucking, or I don't know if that's how you say your name, but futures is definitely like, especially with prop firms, bro. The risk to reward is crazy. Like you're risking such a little amount of money to be able to make so much, bro. It's crazy. You have to look into prop firms, bro. I don't know if you know what prop firms are, but that's like that's what makes it so great. I'm not gonna lie, prop firms is where it's at. Like right now, you see that I'm down 7.8K, but like that's all prop firm money. Like I'm not actually down that much. Wow, this shit is ripping. I'm kind of tempted to take these goddamn longs. I am.
I don't know. I just hate how we've been in this range.
I do too. But
Maybe if it inverses off this 1 minute, I'll enter something small.
yeah, I would like to see a break of the range and then like
Yeah.
5 minute created retest maybe. Especially if I just backtest and get a trading model stay consistent, I can drop like 5 hours a day and still spend 10 hours doing crypto stuff. Once I learn, obviously. Yeah, not for sure. Definitely, bro. And it allows you to, I don't know, it gives you more money to be able to fuck around with crypto shit. You know what I'm saying? So it just gives you more freedom. And I think it's definitely easier to learn than like and easier to keep up with like long term than crypto is. But I don't know. It's fucking, especially coming from crypto though. I think that you have an advantage already. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause you already are looking at candlesticks and shit, and like you may not read them the same, but it's at the end of the day, it's like still the same type of thing. But I think as long as you don't give up, bro, and you keep fucking going, that like, bro, you're bound to start making hella bread. It's just like it's the small percentage that doesn't give up, bro. Like I was going through it for like a year straight, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, and then fucking this year, like since the beginning of this year, really December, just started going crazy.
We deadass can't break this range.
You fuck with trading perps. I'm short right now and sold with 40x leverage. I do fuck with trading perps, just not as much as futures. Like I haven't back tested uh crypto and shit, like charts, crypto charts and shit. But I am very into like I hold like long term crypto. I'm big on long term crypto, and fucking I think that a lot of cryptos are here to stay. But I don't know, perp trading is just it's just a little weird. But I do want to get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I do want to fuck around with it for sure. I just think it's a little different than futures. Good to see you're doing good, bro. Keep grinding. Enjoy your stream for sure. I appreciate you popping in, bro. Take care and good luck, my man. Oh, I should go to the store. I should go to Micro Center right now and go get these PC parts and start building this PC. That's what I should do. Let me see. Can I place the order for pickup? Are they even open still? Wait. Micro Center open till 9. We still good. But I got an hour and a half. I feel it. I just DCA into crypto while also shorting it. I'm still holding on to some just in case it rips. Probably won't be anytime soon. Nah, I hear you. I DCA into crypto as well and stocks, like to both fucking but I'm the same way. Like I will take longs and shorts on Sol and fucking really Sol. That's the only thing I take longs and shorts on. But even while I'm still holding long term, it's just like hedging your position pretty much. Like I don't know. You're making money in both ways. Damn. Well, I guess that's a fucking Asia session for me. I'm gonna call it, I guess, until New York. I wanna wait until 8 p.m. I'm not gonna lie. You live every day? Yeah, I'm live every day at 6 p.m. But honestly, bro, like, cause I usually trade Asia session 6 p.m. gold. Like that's usually what I do every fucking or have been doing every day since the beginning of the new year. But I don't know, bro. With the way they're limiting the contracts is kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. But my man's did have a good point. I can't just start trading with fucking goddamn the other firms and using more contracts on the other firms instead. Holy shit. What the fuck? Thrax is in the call? Yo.
I'm spying on you, motherfuckers.
What's up, bro? I took a
What
L.
you do?
Lost 450 each account. I've stopped. I like, bro, it's so hard to trade without trading gold. Like I'm trying to trade NQ during Asia and it's just chop, bro. It's just straight chop. Gold is about to rip.
Looks like you guys start waking up early then.
Nah, I know. That's what I was just saying. I might have to start trading New York.
Bro, thank God they didn't move me to live.
Yeah, that's fire.
So I took
I-
the
Did you see what
payout.
they posted in their Discord about like everything? I don't know. They were talking about like people fucking spreading rumors about it, just saying false information.
Nah, but you know what's whack about it is, all right. So let's say I got like when we were talking yesterday, where my XFA had a 17K balance, right? And they moved me over to a live account. You still only move with like three. I would only get like $3,000, like $3,500.
Yeah.
Then the rest of it is locked, right? And you can still have access to it when you take payouts. But if you blow that $3,500, you forfeit the rest of the bread.
Yeah, right. That's crazy.
Get the fuck out of here, dude. Like, get out of here. It's ridiculous.
Nah, that is ridiculous.
Order filled.
Or would actually let me take a contract on gold. All right. I'm taking a contract on gold. I'm not gonna lie. I want longs. I just didn't think it was gonna let me take a contract. I wanted to test it. I'm risking $50. You can really only risk one contract though. That's crazy. My shit is so laggy. Did you trade at all, Dax? Why is my shit so laggy? I need to move this down a tiny bit. $60. Am I able to add one more? See if I do a limit buy. I guess I am. Yo, Chris,
Yo,
did Mark buy gold or what?
no, I bought gold. I'm in at 62.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as it started breaking that high right there,
Order
and
rejected.
rejected the 1 minute, I jumped in.
It only lets me go in with one contract.
I'm in 7 contracts.
Sick, dude. Sick, dude. And my other, it says order rejected on my other broker. On my other account.
I'm trying to pass these looses real quick.
Wait, what? Yo, Drax, if you can hear me on FFN, I don't think you can trade gold at all, bro. It just rejected my order for all 3 accounts on gold.
You have to have it. You got to reach out to their support for them to enable Comex.
Okay.
They won't let you trade micro silvers though, but they'll let you trade gold and MGC.
Okay.
Which platform are you talking about?
Yeah, it's called Funded Futures Next.
Wait, you got funded futures next? I was talking about.
Or with my fault, network. Yeah, that's what I meant. My fault.
Network. Never even heard of that. Yeah, they're low key, but their evals suck. But their live accounts, I think, are the best in the industry.
Wait, hold on. Bet. I'm gonna be in these lives for sure, trying to find some more like-minded people to trade with for sure, Zach.
Yeah. So right now they
if
run a BOGO deal, so you can get.
if all hey, wait, if only all the prop firms could partner with Project X. Nah, that would be fire. That's the only reason I fucking am like so stuck on Top Step is because of Project X. That's literally the only reason, bro. Or I would not really care to trade Top Step. I'm not gonna lie. But because of Project X, I'm kind of like stuck, bro. Not gonna lie to you. Yeah, once you go live, they restrict some of it until you hit the profit target. Like on a 50K, you start with 10K, and once you make 3K, you get another 10K. It's kind of dumb. No, that's super dumb, bro. That's insane. Bro, the fact that I'm only allowed to go in with one contract right now is insane. I'm gonna trade this, right? Say full TP hits, okay? I'll be almost break even on the day. I'm just gonna let it play out till full TP. I'll be almost break even on the day if it hits, and then I'm just gonna trade New York NQ, I think, because I don't think trading NQ Asia is really worth. But once APM hits, it could be a little bit more worth. Like, you see how it's about to break this high right now? Now, like you could take longs from here. This could be your long setup off the break of this high. I'm in with 2 micros is weird that you can't. Yeah, it's because I don't have a big enough drawdown. I'm tempted to take longs on NQ as well, just because I can't go in enough with on gold. I wonder, would it even let me though? I don't think it will let me, right? Bro, it literally won't let me. That's crazy. Because I'm in on gold. And I guess gold takes all my margin. NQ is gonna rip. Yo, if NQ rips and while gold rips, I'll be very upset because I could have just been in on NQ and been making way more. That's just gonna piss me off. That's just gonna piss me off, bro. Scaled my TP 502, just gonna leave it at that for real. I'm hungry as fuck. Nah, I hear you. Bro, and I just said I want to go to Micro Center. I want to go pick up this new PC part. I'm not gonna lie, so I can build my new PC. Low-key might just like let this trade run while I'm doing that. Oh, the fact that I can only be in with one contract just wants me to like say fuck this trade and let it just rock out all night and just let this bitch try to run. Like, bro, it's like, oh my god. One contract is just nuts. What made you take this trade? I'll break it down for you real quick. So, looking at gold, right, we had this 30-minute fair value gap open up on this candle. This is when I was looking at it and I said it looks good for buys. We came down, filled this fair value gap perfectly, like to the T, rejected up, all right, came back up, and then we had our 5-minute. We also tapped that 5-minute perfectly, started coming back up perfectly off of that. And now we're about to we got our break of structure right there. And we had our, I think we had a, did we not have a 2-minute? Wait, let me go. Goddamn. I think we had a 2-minute inversion. This was kind of a 2-minute inversion, but it was really just off of the 5-minute retest. I'm not gonna lie. Off this 30-minute and 5-minute retest, it just, I saw the break of structure. I'm like, yeah, bro, this is longs. But anything can happen still. I'm risking one contract. I'm risking $60. Like, this is last trade of the fucking day. If I get stopped out with the $60 per account, then it is what it is. I'm just about to take my ass to Micro Center and go build this PC. But if not, say this bitch starts running, right? I don't even want to take I don't even want to TP. I kind of just want to trail stop and let this shit run. Like because I only have one contract and it's like I'd rather just let it run, bro. Like I can barely make anything. Like this shit is insane. Is that all time high? No, it's not all time high. Bro, my shit is so laggy. I can't wait to get on this new PC, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all see this, but this is so laggy. Like, this is insane. Oh my god. Bro, the closest Micro Center is 1.5 hours from me. That's kind of crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That sucks. Cause it's like I ain't gonna lie, all my PC needs, I go straight to Micro Center. What's current specs, bro? Current specs right now. Shoo. Let's pull this bitch up. We got a goddamn Ryzen 7 3700X for the CPU, which is not terrible, right? It's not absolutely terrible, but then you come to the graphics card, you got a 2070 gang. We back in goddamn, I don't even remember when this shit came out, but yeah, we got a 2070 for the graphics card. 32 gigabytes of RAM, which is smooth, but the graphics card is really what's holding you back, and the CPU is not the greatest. I don't know, and the RAM is not the greatest type of RAM type shit. But right behind me, nigga, I got a 5070. You know what I'm saying? I got goddamn a God CPU. I don't even know how to say that shit fully, but I just need the RAM and the memory, which I'm about to go pick up, and the motherboard, which I'm about to go pick up at Micro Center today, so I can build it. I already have the case, the cooler, power supply, CPU, and the GPU. I know I peeped a few streams ago. You had the parts back there, yeah. I've been saying that I'm gonna build a new PC for a little minute. I did build a new PC, that's the thing. But then I sold it, like, because I ended up moving to South Carolina for like 6 months. So I was like, fuck it. While I'm gone, I'm gonna just sell my PC and cause I barely even used it at the time. And so I sold it right after I built it. I built it like 7 months before I sold it type shit. And it was pretty good. It was godly, I'm not gonna lie. And then fucking I still had this PC though the whole time. And so now that's why I'm still on this PC. Oh shit. And then once I started taking payouts, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna build a new PC with the payout money, especially because it's a tax write-off. Like I can fully use it as a tax write-off. Still shouldn't have lag on a web browser with those specs. That's a decent build. Yeah, I guess. Like, I don't know. It's bro, I've had this PC for like fucking 6 years or some shit, bro. Like I've had this PC for a minute. It has hella shit on it. Like hella shit. Oh my god. Bro, this shit is like so laggy. This shit is crazy. Off my mind. Wait, hold on. Let me undeafen, bro. Talk to my instance. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh my god, my shit just lagged. Alright. I'm fucking off this shit, bro. Oh my god. Until 8. I'm about to trade New York though. Wait, yo, Thrax, is NFP crazy or what?
Yeah, you should avoid it.
Okay.
I mean, don't avoid trading the day, but just don't trade the
Right.
day.
I'm already done. I got stopped at break even. That's gonna be it for me for the night. Yeah, no bullshit. I'm done, bro. Down 516 each account. Probably need to optimize, to be honest. Only thing I have better than you is a GPU. Yeah, I don't know, bro. The memory is hella full and shit, but it's all good, bro. I'm about to have a fucking god build. Don't Doesn't even matter, bro. It's about to be my stream PC. I'm about to literally use it to stream. Wait, what time is NFP at?
East Coast 8:30.
Do you usually just trade New York stocks?
Yeah, and I only trade like the first hour and 30 minutes of it.
So like 9:30 to like 11:30, or I'm on my fault, like 11.
Yeah, sometimes less. I mean, I only need 1 or 2 trades usually.
Nah, that's how I was. I'm not gonna lie. I was doing that in the beginning, like when I first started trading. But then I don't know. Once I started trading gold, that's when I started sticking to Asia. Well, fuck it.
Yeah, I mean, I trade Asia too, but whenever I trade New York, I'm going for like 50 to 100 points or more.
Right.
So that's enough for the day. You know. And usually during New York session with NQ, there's like, in terms of like targeting a drop, we really only have like 1 or 2 moves before lunch.
Yeah.
At least recently. Solid ones. I mean, you can take like little 25-point scalps, but I don't really do that.
I'm glad I took those payouts yesterday. I knew it would help me sleep better at night, like just in case this happened. Literally.
Well, not only that, but they also limited you again to
Right, right, exactly. That shit is so gay.
Yeah, it's terrible. They got rinsed.
Yeah, I'm about to just start, I guess, using other firms until they up that shit. That shit is kind of crazy. But now I'm excited to trade New York. I'm gonna definitely start trading New York more, especially with that being in place. Like, it just, yeah, definitely gonna have to. Nah, I'm gonna trade NQ New York.
Damn, are you gonna have to change your name, bro? Dame NQ?
Dame NQ. Nah, XAU is just clean. I can't do NQ. NQ is, it's just,
It is,
I don't
but
know.
what if you just start only trading NQ and you go by XAU?
Right. Fuck it. I trade New York AM. Yeah. I'm already knowing most people trade New York AM. I had a 10K payout October of 2025. I've been struggling since. Damn. It's crazy. But it's all good, man. That's just part of the journey, bro. It's good that you're still locked in and you haven't given up. Because you could have just given up after that and not have made a single dime past that, but now you're giving yourself the opportunity to still be able to make more. Yeah, bro, I can't quit. I know that I made it already in my future, so I just can't give up on myself. Now I'm already knowing, Zach. I'm the same way, twin. Trust me. I'm the same way, brother. God damn. I'm not even worried about these losing days, bro, because I know it's just part of the process. Like, it is what it is at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Shit
Absolutely
happens.
not.
It is what it is, man.
A once in a lifetime road trip.
I'm not gonna let
I seen Area 51 and
I'm not gonna let this small setback take away from the major progress that I've already made. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't forget about that shit. shit. What your confluence is? It just depends. Like, I mean, my confluencers are usually the same. Like, this usually 5-minute retest, or it can be higher. It can be a 15-minute retest, 30-minute retest, hour retest, whatever. But then off of that, I like to see like some rejection and then a break of structure, and then I like an inversion. Like, say this was still a fair value gap right here, right? This big ass fair value gap. Say this was still intact type shit. Boom. If we had a 5-minute, it was clean, like a 5-minute retest, and then we created these 3 minutes right here. These are 5 minutes. If we created even these 5 minutes and then we inversed it, boom, I would take an entry like right off of that type shit. And vice versa. But this is just choppy, bro. This shit here is just like, it's iffy. Not gonna lie to him, get into S&D. What is S&D? What does S&D stand for? And learn market structure? I mean, I know market structure. Like, that's like, I usually try to trade with the higher time frame trend. You know what I'm saying? Like, right now the higher time frame trend is bullish. And today I was long on gold. I was just long on gold. But I don't know. It's situational, bro. It's situational. It just depends on like what we're showing on the charts. Supply and demand. Oh, I'm not really. Nah, I'm not too big. That looks bearish, bro. If you look at this looks bearish when you're following this line. But then once you break this line right here, and you start creating these bullish inefficiencies higher, and you're respecting them like this, and this is on the 4 hour, keep in mind, right? So if we really come down to the 1 hour, like, you can see it, market structure shift, right? That's what this stands for, MSS. You get that right here when you break this high, and then you get your break of structure up here. But this is on the 1 hour, so it's like, even you keep scaling down, like you broke this line a minute ago, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, we haven't passed the high yet. If you're talking about this high all the way up here, bro, you're tweaking, bro. Because higher time frame is bullish. This is higher time frame, right? This is daily time frame, right? And what are you doing on the daily time frame? Higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low. And then this right now is a lower high because it hasn't broken this, but that doesn't mean that it's bearish, because you still have your higher low right here. You're just waiting for your higher high. But like, overall, this is still bullish. Now, if this was to break this low right here, confirm below this low, then that's a flip. You're flipping overall market structure. But you can see this is bullish. You can't tell me that this is overall is not bullish. Like, we're fully in a bullish market. It just depends on time frame. That's what it is. It depends on time frame. Like, if I go down to the 5-minute, right? We're kind of just chopping right now. Like, if I was to mark out this box, we're literally just chopping in this range right here, right? But if we were to, boom, take this line right here, like, you kind of broke bearish a little bit, but you're still just chopping, you're ranging. Unless you get a break of this low right here. If you break this low and confirm, then you're probably going to come down and take all this out. But right now, you're like, you broke this line right here, which is that's breaking to bullish, bro. You're breaking to an uptrend off of that line. Fully breaking to an uptrend. All right, that's 8. Damn, this shit is just chopping though. Like you don't have no real action. NQ, same thing. Yeah, bro, market is bearish. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I just need to stop going away from my rules when I'm in drawdown. Yeah, no, I hear you. Sticking to your rules is like the hardest part sometimes. Bro, that's AJ, that's not even it's not even how you spell bearish, bro. And as you can see, right here is a perfect setup, right? You have a 5 minute fair value gap created. You're getting your retest right here. Boom, you're getting your market structure shift bullish right here. If you can't see that this is bullish, bro, especially you breaking out of this, right? You're breaking this trend right here. This is NQ. This isn't even gold, but you're breaking that, creating all of these bullish imbalances. Nothing about this is bearish. That's what I'm saying. The only thing that's bearish about this, bro, let me try to find something for you. I just can't. My brain is just not processing. Oh, I mean, all right, you have these like 4 hour imbalances right here, right? So like these, like if you break this high, then you'll flip on the 4 hour. Right now, you are like technically still bearish on the 4 hour. Like you're following this line down right here. But on daily, you're bullish. I mean you're not necessarily like overall, like I said, higher time frame, you're bullish. But on this little chunk right here, you're bearish. But this is NQ. If we're looking at gold, it's the opposite. Or my fault, it's not the opposite. You're in this daily fair value gap, this daily bearish fair value gap, which is the only thing holding you back from still being bearish. If you inverse this, you're bullish. You're fully bullish. But you can see right here, we have a daily bullish fair value gap that got created. So chances are we're going to come back down into this daily bullish to continue higher. Now, if we inverse this, it's looking bad. But once you get an FEG respected, once no longer useful, I mean, you can say that, but like, there's a reason it continues to respect it. But I mean, if you say that though, then you look at gold, like boom, that means that this 4 hour right here is invalid. That's hella invalid, right? You go to NQ, that means that this 4 hour is invalid because it was already retested. So I don't know, it's just not that means that this 4 hour appears invalidated because it was already retested. So it's like your math just isn't mathing. But if you break this high right here, you're fully you're coming for all these highs up here. That's really what you want to see. Like right now, you're sitting in this 4 hour and you're goddamn creating this 1 hour. You inverse this 1 hour. Keep in mind, right? You look at this 1 hour, you inverse this. This was a bearish 1 hour. You inverse that, creating a bullish 1 hour. We just opened our APM candle. We have all these bullish 30 minutes, inverse these bearish 30 minutes. I don't know, bro. Bro got respected because there's hella orders in console causing an order block below. Sorry. Building. I understand what you're trying to say, that it's building orders to take out the liquidity, but obviously, like, that has nothing to do with this being fucking bearish or bullish, bro. $400 day yesterday, minus 500 today. Time to lock my account for the day. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. That's what you gotta do. It's good that you are controlling yourself, bro, and not going over past that limit. That's what I tried to stick to today. You know what I'm saying? Not going past that limit. Even though I am gonna trade, what's the name, AM session. But I'm gonna risk 300. If I lose 300 more, then I'm done. AM session. Oh my god, my top step is so laggy. Oh shit. Order complete. I'm about to take my ass to Micro Center. Damn. It is what it is, man. About to walk away and goddamn come back tomorrow. I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow morning. I don't know. It's weird for me in the morning because I be grumpy in the morning, bro. I be hating waking up at fucking 9:30. And I'm about to build this PC tonight. Fuck. That shit low key is about to take up some time. That shit gonna take like 2-3 hours. Fuck. It's all good though. But I'm about to end the stream. Goddamn. I'm about to be back in this bitch tomorrow, same time. Fuck with you niggas tomorrow. Y'all take care. Be safe. And I appreciate y'all coming through. I'm out this bitch. Have a good one.